Here's a little skit for you guys. Adonis, can you hurry up? Yeah. Hey! Don't push me. Jeez. Hey, hi Adonis. What's up? What flavor would you like today? It's so stupid. I love it. I'll take the strawberry, please. One strawberry milkshake coming right up. Okay. Oh, fantastic. Can you hear this? Can you hear this? Can you hear this? What is that noise, Gojo? Oh, you mean the radio? Oh, that's just the music. Don't worry about it. Now I heard some clapping. There it is again. Oh yeah, Thomas, can you hear that? Yeah. That's weird. Yeah. What? Why can I hear clapping? There's no audience here. I'll be back with my milkshake. I'm going to have to go investigate. Okay. It'll be here waiting for you, alright? Oh, okay. Okay. This skit's gonna be called The Noise, by the way. Just so you know. I can hear it. It's coming from upstairs. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. Oh, yeah, it's definitely coming from the bedroom. The noises he makes when he walks, listen. Have you found it yet? Yep. Oh my... Do you mind? Oh no! Sorry! Run down the stairs. Thank you for the milkshake. I've lost my appetite. Oh god. Oh no, that's not good. Someone had a run-in. Right, Marco. Okay, now vacuuming. Thank God. I'm gonna talk with these two. Traumatized? Yeah. What? So that's what the noise was. It's like you know what it is, Tommy Cash. I do. I walked in on them once as well. Oh, great. It's because me and Courage are best friends, so it makes sense. Oh, okay. Right. Oh, jeez. Enjoying it? Yeah. So that's the end of that skit, so, see you next time.